historically accurate Christmas carol dances. This year we're able to do Frozen 2, some snow angels with angels from the realms of glory. So grab a partner and let's learn this fun little Christmas carol dance. Remember to like and subscribe to our line below. Step 1. Ladies walk 3 steps forward and clap. It looks like this. Step 2. Ladies retreat 3 steps back as gentlemen advance 3 steps forward and clap. It looks like this. Step 3. Gentlemen retreat. Ladies advance 3 steps and clap. Step 4. Gentlemen lock arms and skip 4 steps to the left. Step 5. Gentlemen retreat as ladies advance. Step 6. Ladies skip 4 steps to the left. Step 7. Ladies retreat 4 steps back to rejoin the gentlemen. Step 8. The group steps back 2 steps and forward 2 steps. It looks like this. When you put it all together, it looks like this. For a large group, we can do everything uniform. The whole group steps forward 3 steps and kicks, back 3 steps and kicks, forward 3 steps and kicks, back 3 steps and kicks. It looks like this. The next section is the whole group takes 4 skips to the left, and then 3 steps forward and kicks to center. Next, the whole group skips to the left and takes 3 steps back and kicks. The last piece is the whole group goes step kick for 8 step kicks until we're ready to rephrase from the beginning. It will look like this. Put it all together. It will look like this. So the term carol comes from the French word carol. In the 13th century, this refers to a circle dance, and the circle dance was performed while singing. The tune Angel from the Realms of Glory has French roots. In French, it's Les Anges des Nos Campagnes, and is rumored to have been sung by shepherds since the 2nd centuries. Other sources say it has been sung in French since the 18th century. It was translated to English and published in 1816 by James Montgomery. Our choreography was originally from the Christmas Carol Dance book by John Garden. The second version our second version is an adaptation created by Holly Thomason to accommodate a mixed group. Enjoy your fun Christmas carol dance. Remember to like and subscribe to our line below.